Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Dart headlight. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your replacement headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Now, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly you plan to service. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Depending on your model, you might then rotate a retaining ring or simply twist the bulb itself counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. Once loose, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now it's time to install your new headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure to align any tabs or grooves correctly. Once seated, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely, or reattach the retaining ring if your model uses one. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a good connection. With the new bulb installed, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your vehicle's headlights and verify that the new bulb illuminates correctly. Check both the low beam and high beam settings to ensure everything is working as expected. Once you've confirmed proper operation, carefully close your vehicle's hood. You've successfully changed your Dodge Dart headlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.